small data center. As you can see, servers, fiber optics everywhere. And this is how it looks like. And they have the air condition, the split model that you see here, 3 of them. And in the other side, the controllers or another air condition. And this is how it looks like. This is a power cord, so that way if you have a data center or maybe in your regular computer, if you want to buy this type of cables with the lock, you can. It works like that. So you put it like this, as you can see, and then if you pull it, you can take it out just easily. But if you put it like that, and then you lock it, as you can see, I can try to pull it, and it will not come off. So as you can see, it works great. So this is for security purposes, so that way you have everything safe and you know that it is not going to get unplugged for anything, any reason. Another way to keep everything secure is with this type of connector. As you can see here, I am in the power strip, and every one of them, they have this connector, so you have to push and pull in order to take it out. That is how you can complete and have everything 100% sure that everything is going to work and nothing is going to get unplugged by accident.